Now, the next thing we need to do is install Dokploy. And since we used the Dokploy template, everything we need is already installed and running for us in the background. As you can see right here, we have Dokploy available already. All we have to do is go to the top right here and click on Manage Panel. And this is going to open up the Dokploy setup page. This is where we'll create our admin account. Start by entering a name, then enter your email address, and create a password. Then go to the bottom here and click on Register. Once you register, you'll be brought here to your Dokploy admin panel. Here on the home screen, you'll see your projects listed here, along with a sidebar for other tools and then your settings at the bottom. Depending on when you're watching this video, you may also have an update available message here at the bottom. You'll want to install this right away to make sure everything on your VPS is running smoothly. So I'll click on Update Available. You'll see the version number here at the top. Let's go to the bottom and click on Update Server. Then click on Confirm. Now Dokploy will automatically install the latest version and restart itself whenever it's done. And with that done, we have now installed the latest version of Dokploy.